Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from DIY Choose. They were kind enough to let me pick a few items to share with you all. So I do actually have two off the canvas items because I've not seen these before as an off the canvas item. So I'm always on the lookout for more things that we can put diamonds on, make them sparkly, and then I do also have a painting. So we'll start with the off the canvas first. So as you can see, we do get a toolkit. I don't know if anybody else remembers these as a kid. This is a little bit bigger than I thought it would be, though I didn't check sizes. I was just remembering as a kid a little coin purse, the little purse that you go like that with. Little snap purse. Anybody else have one of those as a child and think they were amazing? But yes, I decided I needed to get one of these. There's a few different designs, but I did go for the rose. So quite a simple, quick, fun project, but we've got some green and a few different shades of red to help bring the depth to the rose. But you can pop all your little bits in your little coin purse and then use it as a coin purse afterwards, or maybe to store some other bits and pieces. So that is off the canvas number one. Following the same lines on off the canvas number two, I think my nan definitely had one of these. I didn't wear glasses at that time. At the time that these were definitely everywhere, but is the same concept, your little clipper for a glasses case. So I decided to get the one with some flowers and butterflies. As I say, there's quite a few designs. I even think there was some Christmas designs as well, but yeah, I just love the nostalgia, and I may end up keeping my glasses in this. We shall see. You do get a toolkit with a set of tweezers for this one, and I think they are all basic rhinestones. Yes, they definitely look to be. It looks as though there are 5 different colours. So let's get these out and check. Yes, we have 5. So we have some pink, some orange, some nice sort of olivey type green, I'd say, sagey green, some black and some pale blue. So the pale blue comes into play on the butterflies, and then this sort of peachy orange and pink are the flowers, green for of course the leaves, and the black, that is just a little bit of the butterflies, like the antenna of the butterflies, and a little bit of shading in their leaves. So not too much on the black. But yeah, you gotta love a trip down memory lane, and if you can diamond paint it and make it sparkle, all the better, in my opinion. It's also handy that you can pop everything in there, so you can just have it as a little to-go kit. Little standby project that sits in your handbag maybe for when you get a minute. So they're the two off the canvas items. Love that little bit of memory lane seeing those. And then I also got a diamond painting. And the one I chose is, oh, it's this way, is a lovely October type image. Gorgeous little pumpkins with some nice green sprigs. I thought these weren't too harsh a colour pumpkin. I mean, you know, anybody that loves the bright orange and the contrast of the orange, the black and the lime green, awesome. But I thought this was a little bit more for those that prefer something a little bit subtler, a little bit more farmhouse maybe. It's more of a pinky peach pumpkin and a white pumpkin with the green sprigs. Of course, it depends on your home decor as to which goes best, or whether you just don't care and love the funky orange. go you. But I thought I liked this one because it was different. So you do get a toolkit. We don't tend to celebrate, like we have Halloween in the UK, but it's nowhere near as big as it is in some other countries. But I thought this was a nice sort of autumn or fall, depending on what you call it, image that could potentially be up for a little bit longer in the season than just for Halloween. And colours wise, so we have some blues, blacks, greys. Then we do have a little bit of purple. That's actually mainly used for the shading on this pumpkin. We've got some gorgeous blues for the sky, some darker burgundy colours. These are more the colours of that pumpkin. So those two and that one. So a little bit corally pinky type colour, which is nice and different. I think there is a little bit of pop of red where needed for that darkening. We've got some gorgeous greens. Oh, number 16 is that's actually the colour of the other pumpkin. So it's a greeny white, but actually when you put it surrounding with the other colours, it does look very white. And then we have a grey. So yeah, I liked it as a different type of fall item. Just feel like a contortionist sometimes trying to get these diamonds back in the right position. But if you want to be able to have, you know, some decor for, say, autumn, fall, whichever one you want to call it, but don't necessarily do the full Halloween, or maybe you want something when you take your Halloween images down, then I thought this was a great choice. So I will pop the link directly to this down below, and also to these two items. By all means you can search. So if you click on the link, for example, on the glasses case, depending on what they have called it on the website, I'm pretty sure they called it glasses, but they may have used a different word. You can then use that word to search to get all the other types, and I'm pretty sure they called this one a coin purse as well, but you can always use the link to double check, and then you can go and have a little browse search for the other options that are out there, and treat yourself to a little bit of nostalgia, and maybe pop your glasses in the same type of case that my nan did. Why not? I'm allowed. But yeah, thank you to DIY Choose for sending me these to share with you all, and thank you to you guys for watching as always. I will speak to you all again soon.